Lola. Hey. So Lola just wanted to say that this video doesn't have an intro because Mommy forgot to film it. And she's currently thinks there's another cat. Oh my god. Okay, so enjoy the video. Oh my god. Okay, this is the current state of my beauty room. I just took all the clothes out of this dresser. We're gonna get rid of this dresser, take it to my mom. She wants it back. And yeah, so this is what's going on. My idea is, so I just got this really big mirror and I kind of want to put maybe it over here, maybe behind me, not sure yet. But in here, I want to get all of my purses that are stored right here, which you can tell is very unorganized. I want to get rid of that and put them on the floor down here and get rid of this thing. Then all these sweatshirts that are hanging, I'm going to take out and put in storage bins, and then put all my like shirts in here. And hopefully this closet can hold what would be in a dresser. So that's the game plan right now. The other option is to get rid of these two things and maybe put the mirror here. Or since I'm getting rid of the dresser, I can maybe just switch those over there. So it just depends right now. I know it's super cluttered, but by the end, we should be able to have a very clean, organized space to film, to do try-ons, that kind of stuff. So yeah. And the litter box, I might get like a little house thing to put over that so it's not just like a litter box. You know what I mean? So that's where we are right now. That's obviously not staying there. That's just storage right now. All right, here we go. Okay, so now we're at this stage where it's even more of a mess, but I moved everything over to the left and I moved the litter. So now this is going to be the background for when I do outfit of the days or whatever I'm planning on doing with this mirror now. This mirror is ginormous. I thought it was going to be like, I thought it would stop here. Like I really didn't think that that was on it. So that's what we're looking like right now. I obviously still have to take it out of the packaging. I have to put back this thing under there because it's really the only place to store it right now, unless I get rid of one of those two things, or I guess both of them. So I might get rid of this bookshelf and see if I can put the book somewhere else, and then move that next to here, and then put the litter there, and then put this over there, or maybe the litter, I don't know. We're still kind of, you know, it's a work in progress, but like I'm feeling okay with the background here. This is just gonna have to be a little bit clean for when I do like outfit of the day kind of things. So all right. Okay, another check-in. Everything is pretty much where I want it to be. I just need to get baskets for clothes to put there. Yeah, so we are looking pretty good. It's just a little cluttered at the moment. But yeah, I mean, I'm trying to take this stuff off the bottom. I'm waiting for Eric to come upstairs so that he can help me like lift it and stuff. But other than that, we are almost done. There's literally, it feels like there's so much more room, but really, I mean, it's almost all the same stuff. So this is the finished product for day one. You know, everything clearly is going to be a little bit different once it's more organized, but this is what we're looking like so far. And then this is stuff I need to like film with or take pictures of. So that's that for now. Okay, I just got back from Target and Kohl's, and I'll show you like a little bit of what I got. I got these room essential storage bins. So I got 4 of these. I got 2 of the gray and then 2 in black. And so they'll go on this thing. And then I got these 2 big baskets that I'll put in my closet And then I got these two little ones because I was thinking I could put my skincare in there and maybe put it on the bottom shelf over here and make this look a little bit less cluttered. So that's situation that we will be trying right now. And then I got a bunch of hangers from my mom's house. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. Here is the basically finished product. So we have my Alex drawers, my jewelry box, my face oils, makeup bookshelf, skincare on the bottom, and I don't know if this is like the permanent solution, but that's where I'm putting it right now. And then the vanity, it looks pretty good. And then we have the Roomba, and then that basket right there is my empties. So when I fill my odds and empties, that's where I keep that, so it doesn't really need to look pretty. The litter box, just ignore that. And then this is really the ad. So I have socks, tops, underwear and bras, and then workout stuff, and then little weights. And then I don't know if this is going to stay this way, but I just have like my self-tanning stuff right here, lotions, all that on top of my like storage bin. And then my desk still has storage underneath my camera right there, but it's pretty clear right now. And the closet, it still looks, I feel like, a little jam-packed, but it's more of like an organized mess. So these two things are pajamas. I got the containers from Target, so it worked out really well. And then these two containers are from Kohl's, and then my towels, and then some beach towels, and just like random stuff like my makeup brush cleaner. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking like right now. Okay, this is the final finished product, so I'm very excited about it. I got my new rug. Everything is kind of white and gray, which is fine, but yeah, so let me just take you on a little tour. So I have my storage kind of all over the place. My free weights, I don't really know what to do with. I'm gonna keep them probably there. There's Lowell. Yeah, I got my chair from Home Goods. My rug is from Wayfair. I love it. I thought at first it was like too dark, but I'll show you. I feel like it really complements kind of everything. So I'm very happy with it. Lola's now in the window. I got them a cat bed for in here. And yeah, I mean, it doesn't really look like this always. There's always clothes everywhere and stuff, but I really do think that this space really came together nicely. I'm very happy with, like, it just feels a lot more open. You know what I mean? Alright, that concludes this video. I'm very excited for this to be like my creation station, if you will. That was stupid. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this process. I will have like what I can link down below, like my bookshelf I can link. I'll try and find a link for my vanity, but I already got that a couple years ago, so I don't even know if they have it. My rug, my mirror, my desk, all that stuff I can definitely link. These are Alex drawers, so everyone has them already, but I will try to find like what I have and link it for you. But other than that, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!